Hi, folks. I'm here again, not to chit chat alone, but to interact with you. And today, I'm talking on goals, setting of goals. I've discovered that in any kind of life transitions, or when you want to unlock your potentials or transformation, the starting point is setting goal. Without a goal that you are reflecting on, there's nothing. You might think you're achieving something, but it will not be as successful as you want. And I'm talking about SMART goals here, not just any goal. What do I mean by SMART goals? Most of us already know what it means. Where the S stands for specific. You have something in mind to achieve. You are navigating either divorce. You are looking for ways to overcome grief and trauma. You want to cope with stress, or you are even aspiring for leadership position. You still need your focus to set specific goal. And when you are spending these foods in references, it must be measurable. There's no need for anybody to set goals that you know you cannot really achieve. And I know with your mind, focus on anything, you could achieve whatever. But a starting point, your goals have to be measurable. Then it has to be achievable. That is, that's why it's called SMART. Specific, it has to be measurable, it has to be achievable, it has to be relevant, which is the R of the SMART, and it has to be time-based. That's why you have short goals, you have long-term goals, and then you can follow your progress. Oh, in this short time, this is what I want to achieve. As a coach, life transformational coach, I know that, within this specific period, within this measurable time, this is what I want to achieve. And when you set it, you put time with it, you definitely get there. For those who are seeing me for the first time or just checking this, my video, my name is Josephine, a doctor of philosophy in philosophy of religion and theology, a mental health advocate, a life transformational coach. I have the background, I have the experience to guarantee you results in your personal or professional growth. Check my website, learnwithjoes.com. Feedback, comments, questions, send it to my email address, learnwithjoes@gmail.com. Or you can call me, 490-404. I'm sorry. You can call me on 404-590-8414. Let me repeat that. 404-590-8414. Stay focused. Definitely. Intentionally, you will get there. Continue to reflect on your progress. I wish you well. Have a very wonderful and blessed day.